Hey guys, I'm Vasco and today I'll show you how I'm playing My Baby Just Cares For Me by Nina Simone. It's a beautiful song. I'll show you how to play it 1/2 step up than the original because that way it just fits the ukulele a lot better and we can do the song with all of its bells and whistles, which I'll try to show you in this tutorial. So let's go. My baby don't care for cars and races. Alright, so the song has pretty much three parts. We'll call it part A, part B, and the solo part. And also we have some variations of it, which I'll explain later. But before we go to the parts, let's learn this. Let me show you. Alright, so we start with B flat, okay? And what I'm doing here with the right hand is with the thumb, I'm playing just the G string and then with the pointing finger, the up strum, okay? And then after that, I'm sliding here my ring finger to go on the second fret. Then I remove it. And then the thumb goes on the E string, okay? And after that, I grab E flat like this, and then the thumb goes on the C string. Then with the middle finger here on the second fret, and then I remove it. And after that, F7. All right, so slowly. Okay. All right, so this will require some practice. It required to me as well, so don't be afraid, don't be ashamed. Practice is good, so just do this for a while. Okay, and there is also one more thing after this on one particular place. We're doing this. And then we go to the second fret. And after that, open, second, third, and then on the E string, and then we grab F, and the thumb is on the E string again, and then on the C string, third fret, second fret, okay. So this is a transition between the first part of part A and the second part of part A. Actually, you see it right now. Okay, so in the chords, everywhere that you see B flat to E flat and F7 split in a bar, this thing, wherever you see that, you're pretty much repeating just the main riff. If this is too hard for you, you can just strum the chords like this. So it starts with B flat to E flat, which you can grab like this or like that, whatever is easier for you, and then F7. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. My baby don't care for shows. My baby don't care for clothes. My baby just cares for me. And here we go to C minor 7, which is just barring on the third fret. Okay, and after that F7 again. But I like here to put also the pinky on the third fret of the A string for this F7. It's not really that necessary, but I think it has it in common with the C minor 7, and that's why I like it like that. And after that we go to the second part, which starts with D7, okay, barring on the second fret, any of your finger, but the middle probably is the best, on the third fret of the A string, okay, and we are doing this for 2 bars. My baby don't care for, and then G minor, cars and races, to G minor 7, and then C9, okay, pretty cool chord. Actually, this also could be G minor 6, you can call it that, but it doesn't really matter as long as we know what we're talking about. My baby don't care for, and again F7. And I'm doing this, the same thing, 12 frets up. If you have the frets for it, maybe you can do as well. And then keeping quiet. High tone places. I like it because she's singing about high tone and we're playing high tone right before saying that. And after that we go to the part B, but before that let's slowly do part A, okay? Let's go. My baby don't care for shows. My baby don't care for clothes. My baby just cares for me. Okay, and here we go to D7. My baby don't care for G minor, cars and races. My baby don't care for high tone places. And we start the part B, which starts exactly the same. Liz Taylor is not his style. Alright, so we're repeating the main thing 3 times again. Something she can't see. But here we stay on C minor. And actually, I'm staying more like on C5 for a little bit because it's easier to go between the riff and the C minor after that. So after the riff, pretty much I'm playing C5, which the 5, it means that it's neither minor or major. I'm just barring with the pinky on the 3rd fret, the A and the E string. And then going to the C minor 7, okay? My baby don't, and here we have A7. Yes, all right. And after that we have this quick B flat to F minor, really quickly, okay? And then to G7, okay? And after that C minor 7 again, my baby just cares, to F7 for me. And here we're finishing the whole thing with the riff again. Alright, so let's see part B, how it goes. Liz Taylor is not her style, not even down her smile. Something she can't see. My baby don't care who knows. My baby just cares for me. All right, and after that we go to the first solo, which starts again with the main riff, repeated twice. And after that we play B flat for 2 times, to E flat, to F7, and from right here we are doing exactly the same, the second part of the part A. And you start the verses again, repeat them the same, part A, part B, and after that we have again the solo, and after that we have the second solo, which is basically the same as part B, it just ends a little bit differently, which is actually the solo that I did in my cover. I didn't do the first solo because I decided it's a little bit too much soloing for a mouth trumpet, so I just did this, only the second solo, and it goes sound like. And here's the difference. We have faster B flat to G minor, and then C minor to F7. Alright, so. Okay, so that was my ukulele tutorial for My Baby Just Cares For Me. Thanks so much for watching it. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit the like button if you did, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.